guys, welcome to Shisha's Kitchen, the taste of heaven. Today we are going to see another amazing recipe, Nutella. Its origin is from USA. It is really easy to make and has only 4 ingredients. What could be best than eating a slice of bread with your own homemade Nutella? So let's see how to make it. Now I'm going to add 250 grams of hazelnut. You can also use cashew nuts or almonds or have the mixture of the 3 to get more quantity. We are roasting them to get a more richer taste. Now I'm going to add half teaspoon of salt and roast them for 5 minutes until the skins of the hazelnut have came out. For cashew nuts and almonds, you can roast them until they have turned slightly golden and brown in color. So now in a mixer, I'm going to put our roasted hazelnuts without the skin, and I'm just going to start grinding them until all the oil out of the nuts has came out and it has turned into a paste kind of texture. Stir occasionally to get a smoother paste. You just need to keep grinding them 6 to 7 times or until they are smooth. Now you can see that my hazelnut has almost turned into like a semi-solid structure. But don't stop over here. We need to go further until they are smooth. Wow friends, look at this hazelnut paste. This is the consistency we want. Look how smooth it has been grinded into. Now I'm going to add 70 grams of jaggery, 50 grams of cocoa powder or melted dark chocolate. Now let's whisk them nicely to avoid lumps. Now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of oil that has no flavor. Now let's grind them nicely so they turn into the consistency of the Nutella. If you want more runny Nutella, you can add a little bit of oil, or if you want little lesser consistency, you can reduce the amount of the oil. Friends, I have used jaggery because it is healthy. But if you want a smoother and a healthier one, you can grind the jaggery into a paste and then add it inside. You can also use sugar, but make sure you powder the sugar and the cocoa powders with them nicely before you add them inside. That's it. Our chocolatey, nutty, silky Nutella is ready. Now let's see how to spread them in the bread. Now take a good amount of Nutella, put it in one slice of the bread, and now I'm going to gently spread it all over with a butter knife. Friends, the aroma is so good and it is really easy to spread in the bread. Now I'm going to keep another slice on the top, and that's it. Our yummy Nutella and bread is ready. Friends, it is so silky and chocolatey to eat, better than the store-bought. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Love you guys. Bye bye.